Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study science for TNUSRB SI step by step. Begin by outlining your study roadmap and prioritize core topics, then break them into manageable daily tasks. Focus on concept clarity first, then practice application through questions and diagrams. Balance reading with active recall and timed quizzes to build confidence. Track progress weekly and adjust study intensity based on performance to stay consistent and avoid burnout. Use active study techniques to convert passive reading into durable learning. Start sessions with quick recall of yesterday's topics, then test yourself on definitions and core processes. Create simple, labeled diagrams to visualize relationships and use flashcards for formulas and key facts. Alternate study blocks with timed question practice to build exam stamina. End each day by summarizing errors and scheduling targeted review to close knowledge gaps and reinforce strengths. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for gentle background focus music and timers to pace study sessions. It's a handy little device to set study routines and reminders, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Pick a few reliable resources and stick to them to avoid unnecessary confusion and overload. Build a weekly schedule with short study blocks, interleaving topics and leaving time for revision and mock tests. Cluster related subjects together so connections become clearer and learning is faster. Regularly assess which resources help you most and trim the rest. Keep a steady pace, celebrate small wins, and maintain consistency to progress steadily toward exam readiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.